Hello, and welcome back to OnDisBeauty. Thank you guys so much for staying with me, even if I've been gone for quite some time. I have not posted a video in, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Let's not call out the exact time, but it's been a while, and thank you guys so much for staying with me. I have been quite busy education wise, work wise, body wise. I've been drinking my water, staying hydrated, doing what I have to do to ensure that I am being the best me. And in spite of all that, I haven't forgotten about you guys, my subscribers. I haven't forgotten about you guys. People have been asking me, well, where are the videos? Where are the videos? And I haven't forgotten about you guys. I actually had some videos start up, but I didn't get the time to sit down and edit them, to put them together for you guys. But I'm back, and I have this amazing new video for you guys. To those who have been subscribed and remained subscribed while I was gone, thank you guys. You all are the best. And to those who are not yet subscribed and you're watching this video, hit the subscription button down below. So this is a very easy hairstyle, guys, and like you all know, this is what my channel is about, showing you guys innovative ways, creative ways to make yourself be the best you, to be the most confident you, to be the most beautiful you that you can possibly be, and in a very easy way. So I definitely got this one for you guys, and I think you guys are going to like this a lot. Would you believe that I have expression braids in my hair? Expression braids. You can get expression braids for basically next to nothing, and based on where you live, it's literally next to nothing. And I got expression braids to do this amazing look. Now the trick about it, or the idea behind it, is that expression braids are extremely easy to manipulate. And when I saw the expression braids that I had at home, it clicked. I was like, why don't you try doing some type of crochet hairstyle with expression braids and get it to look how you want it to, get it to do the curl that you want to do. Okay guys, so enough talking about this hairstyle, and let me show you guys how to get yourself set with this amazing hairstyle. Okay guys, so we are going to start with the hair, and the hair that I'll be working with is expression braids, and let me grab the pack for you all. It's actually this hair. Hope the camera is focusing. So it's this back hair, and it is the 3x expression Ghana, and it's actually pre-stretched. If you don't have pre-stretched, it's okay. You can definitely use the blunt cut, and you would have to pre-stretch it on your own, but I prefer using the pre-stretched because it's going to be a lot easier for me. It's going to be a lot easier. I don't have a lot of work to do. So I am going to see if I can do the entire head with this pack. If not, then I have one little extra piece that I'll have to squeeze in somewhere. So again, this is a trial. I know you guys might have probably seen the intro, so you will already know if the hairstyle turned out fine or not. I don't know yet. And I've already sectioned out my hair. So I try to cut it near before the end of your ear. So I cut it right here before the end of my ear. You can see right here before the end of my ear. And I've already braided the back. Guys, the braids do not need to be perfect. You are going to crochet the hair in. So you need your crochet pin, you need your braids. So let me just show you the braids. Everything is coming straight down. As you all can see, everything is coming straight down. All the braids are coming straight down. I didn't do anything fancy, and I just pulled them all together, put a one big braid, and I wrapped it, tucked it in, tucked it under. If you want it to be more secure, when you tuck in the braid, then you can also get some weave thread and sew it in. But I do not plan on having this hairstyle for very long because I don't know how it's going to hold up, and this is a trial. So I just tucked it in, and that's fine for me for now. This is the tool that I'll be using. Most of you all probably know about this tool already. It is the crochet pin, and yeah, so we're going to get started. So I'm taking pieces about this size, not too small and not too big, so about this, and we're just going to crochet them in. Push your pin in, pull the hair, pull it out. That's one. I'm going to continue throughout the entire back of the hair doing this, and that's step one. When you're doing hairstyles like this, guys, please ensure that your hair is properly moisturized. So right now I have shea butter in my hair, as well as some oils, and I braided my hair with those. I actually got a really big jar of shea butter. For those who don't know, my birthday recently passed, May 16th, yay! And I've been having a very, very, very nice birthday. I'm just happy, to be honest, to see another year. But apart from that, it has been very, very nice. I've gotten some very nice gifts this birthday, and one of them was a huge jar of shea butter, raw shea butter. And for those of you who don't know, I really love shea butter a lot. Alright, so this is where we are at. This is the hair. So we are at. Actually looking very nice. Looking very, very, very nice. But I'm having a bit of shedding, and I'm guessing because it's crochet, so that's why I started to double knot most of them closer to the ending. Now, a technique that I used to ensure that the sides were very filled, because remember I only had one pack of hair, so I added thicker pieces to the sides because I want the hair to be bulky on the sides, and I added smaller pieces in the center. So I still have this left, so I'm going to try to see if I can use this to go at the top. We're going to do the top, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to put the top of our hair, this entire, so I'm going to put this at the back. Let me get this at the back here. We're going to put this up. Now we need to look as sleek as possible, because remember we have straight hair, and we don't want our hair looking curly when we have straight hair. We want to maintain a consistency with our hairstyle. So I'm going to be using red one because it usually gives my hair more of a straight hold. So I'm going to be using red one to slick my hair up into a ponytail, and I'll be right back. I used this. If you have any other product that makes your hair look very straight, then I suggest you use it. But so far, guys, I'm very, very impressed with this hairstyle. I am extremely impressed, and I am impatient. I braided my hair into 3 braids, 2, 3, and I am going to twist them around each other, and I'm going to try to make a very tight top knot. Tighten up. So I did this. Then I'm going to take a hairband. I'm going to take a hairband like this, and we are going to wrap it around that because it already started unraveling. To wrap it around like this. Are you as amazed as I am that we did this with expression braids? This is nice. Okay, so the next step is going to be to crochet here on this, because this is going to be our half up. So we've done the half down already. thought I didn't have a lot of hair left, guys, and I've used almost an entire pack, that's the 3 pieces, in the back of my hair. And I had this left, so I thought that this was all I had left, but turns out I actually have another piece. I saw that I have this. This is the more technical section because we are going to be crocheting in our top knot. So what you're going to do is basically just look for points in your top knot and just crochet it here like that. So I got so I just put in the crochet needle and I just do crochet it here. So you're basically going to crochet the top, basically going to crochet the top knot. Guys, I am extremely excited to see how this turns out. We are not done and it's already looking nice. Guys, sorry about my greasy face. I have a lot of oils on my skin. I've been trying to take extra care of my skin. I've always done that, but as of recent I think I've been even more careful about how much water I drink, how much exercise I do, the products that I put on my skin, because now is the time for us to do this, guys. Later on it's going to be too late. I think it's beneficial that in your early stages, maybe in your teens or in our 20s, that we take care of our skin, take care of our body. Starting to look cute. Yeah, we are looking cute. I'm very happy that I didn't crochet. I'm very happy that I didn't curl the hair before, and that was my initial thing. I said that I wanted to curl the hair first and then crochet it in curled, and then I would have open out the curls so that I could have a wavy, effect with tighter curls. But then last minute I decided that might have been too much and the hair would have been looking too short, and I'm going for a very long look. Okay, so I'm just going to pull to make sure that I don't have any hair that is just extra loose, and this is it so far. Now the next step is going to be to braid the hair. So I'm going to put big braids in the hair because that's what I'm going to use to make our curls. So I'm just going to braid section by section, 3-strand braid like this. Okay, so we have all braids in, guys. These are all the braids. These are all. And we have one piece. I had to add an extra piece, guys, because we have to take a piece from the top to wrap around our ponytail. So I have to add an extra piece so that I could use it to wrap. So what we're going to do right now, you have this piece. We're going to just smoothen it out, and we are going to wrap it around the top, and I'm going to be using a weave glue to stick it together. So I'm going to keep these here. I'm going to take this and just wrap it around and ensure that it is very smooth. And as tight as possible as well. Just keep smoothing and tightening it. And because it's pre-stretched, you will have a little piece that you can just, we can just wrap this little piece around because it's pre-stretched. So guys, I didn't even have to use the glue. I actually didn't need the glue, I hope. I'm still going to add some glue. just a little bit like this. I'm going to add it around the back. Just ensure that the hair is stuck together. Guys, I have a feeling that I'm out of focus. So I'm just adding some glue. Yes, I'm using my hand so that I can smoothen it out at the back. We're not going to put the glue at the front for sure. It's not happening. And it should dry on its own. So this is it for now. The next step is to dip the hair in hot water, and this is a more dangerous part, so I would advise that if you are not able to do it on your own, that you have somebody help you, or you contact somebody that's professional to do this step for you, because you can get yourself burnt, you can get in some trouble, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to dip my own in some hot water, and after I dipped in hot water, I'm going to unplait each braid, and we will have our curls, and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so I didn't really leave the hair very long to dry. I just dried it with a towel, and then I unplait all the braids, and I cut off the edges. I trimmed all the edges, all the ends, the straight ends, I trimmed them off. I mean, we don't want to trim off all edges, but I trimmed all the ends, and it gave me more of a full look. So this is what I was left with. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.